Hello guys, in this video I will teaching you how to do a matching between the receiver and the remote controller, and this will happen when you broke your remote control and we're giving you a new one and you want to match the remote control with the drone receiver to make you can use the new remote controller to control the drone. So initially you need to prepare a little battery with the power to from 5 to 8 voltage. So this could be a number 5 battery. So you need to prepare it, and a little very tiny screwdriver. So just like when you change the SIM card and you need a little stick to pull like a little pin to pull the point of it. So the same on the receiver, there's a little button that you can reset it. That's why you need a little pin, or a little screwdriver, and you prepare the remote control and the receiver. Initially, you turn on the power of the remote control, and when you turn it on and press these two buttons, press it, and to go to the advanced setting. The password is a lot of 8. Sometimes it's 6 of them, sometimes 8 of them, sometimes 4 of them, depending on the different version of your remote control. Just put in the many 8 until you couldn't put in more. And then you click the setting menu, setting button, and in the second one, the system setting. So all the text on your remote control will be changing to your language before we ship to you. So it should be English if you are using English version. So click the system setting and then the general setting. And the first one will be the frequency matching. It says it's already matched. If you click again, and they will change to matching. And the another frame is say the control mode is in Japanese mode. So here you can also change to American mode or Chinese mode, whatever you like. If you click the frequency matching, if you click it, and you see the lights start to flashing, and the text is changing to frequency matching. So now you need to get the receiver ready. So connect the battery to the receiver, and use the little pin to push the button of the matching button, which we will give you the little battery to doing that when we ship the remote control to you. So push the little button on it, the matching, and push it for 2 seconds until the light on the remote control turn it from red to the green light. And now you are done. You are done the matching, and I just return it to the main screen, and you are ready to go. So this is the process for how to matching a new remote controller with the receiver on your drone. In the next video, I will teaching you more technique to how to use Eagle Brother intelligent spray drone properly. Thank you for watching.